everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Sanaa from So Crafty Sanaa, and I am back with another cash stuffing video for my paycheck of September the 6th, 2024, you guys. So, whew, it's rough, and fortunately and unfortunately, I am only going to be stuffing my my variable weekly spending, which is my wallet envelopes. I consider these to be my cash envelopes and not my sinking funds, because technically this is money that I know and I allot to spend during the week, versus my sinking funds, money that I keep in binders, is to save for something small or large, whether expected or unexpected. So we're going to be stuffing my wallet to allow money for me to spend on food, gas, household, you know, things like that. So we're going to be stuffing 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 425, 430, 435, 445. Listen, I got lost. 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 425, 430, 435, 440, 445, 450. $450, you guys. So let's go ahead and get this money put up. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is go through my wallet and see what I have left over. Okay. So in me money, I have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I'm going to keep the money that I have in me money. I am not going to roll that over into anything. So I'm going to keep $39 in me money, and I'm just going to simply write on my book $39 to let me know I had that. Dining out has nothing. Car maintenance has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have $12 left over. I'm going to take that money and move that, because I'm going to roll that money over. Okay. And I had $12 in car. Gas is a sinking fund. I keep a balance. I have $20, $30, $31 in gas. That is going to stay there because I keep a balance in my gas envelope. Groceries has nothing. Household has $20. So that money is going to get rolled over. We'll show what I'm going to do with that later. I'm just going to minus 20 and make that 0 in household. Okay, giving is a sinking fund. I keep a balance here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is $10. This is money for me to give away. Tips, whatever. I'm going to keep that there. Okay, so me money is going to get $75. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. I am going to... let's see. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to have to give change for something. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have $114. I just added 75 and I have 114. Now what I'm going to do is take a 10. Let me move that. I'm going to take a 10 and put 2 5s here, and I'm just going to take a 20. So that way I still have 114. Okay, dining out is going to get $40, so that's going to be 2 20s. I'm going to add 2 20s to dining out, plus 40, and that gives me 40. I like to keep my expense trackers, because as I'm out daily spending, then I get to write what I have immediately before I take the money out in my weekly expense, so I don't go over. Car is going to get $20. Not sure why I'm giving $20 to car, but let's see, plus 20, that gives me $20 in car. I usually give 10 for car wash, but I guess I need to buy something. Gas is going to get $60. So 20, 40, 60 is going into gas. And let's see. Now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $91 in gas. So plus 60, and that's 91. And as I stated, I like to keep a balance in gas. Groceries is going to get, food is going to get $230. 200 20, 30. $230 is going into my grocery bill, which I'm not sure nowadays that is enough money because I'm pushing close to 300. So my food bill is looking like $1,200 a month. Household is going to be 15, 5, 10, 15 going into household plus 15, and that gives me $15 in household. So I am still, so giving is $10. So the last two fives is going to go to giving. We'll have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So plus 10, and that leaves me with 20 in giving. So let me first, I stuffed $450 into my wallet, but I do have a remaining, let's see, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So I have $32 that's going to roll over. So let's see. First things first, because I'm trying to be on a vicious debt payoff, I'm going to start letting all my rollovers go into debt. Okay. I was letting it go into luxury, but I'm done with luxury. I'm done with shopping. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So $27 is going to go into my debt payoff. Okay, so I'm going to just start accumulating all my rollovers to go to that. And this will be in addition to all of the debt payments I'm making throughout the month that I set goals for. So for the month of September, if you didn't catch my September reset, my recap of my total August fail, in here, I talk about I'm going to pay, one of my goals is to pay $3,000, I believe, to debt this month. So in addition to the $3,000, this is extra because this is money I'm saving by not spending. So $27 is going into my debt. $5, okay. What I normally do, and because I forgot, whenever I have any fives left over, and I'm going to go through, I have $39 in me money. So because that is leftover money, I'm going to take that 5 because I had 1 5. I'm going to take that 5 out. And car, did I have? I think I had a 5 in car, but that's that 5, so it doesn't matter. So let me minus out. Minus 5, and that is 109. Okay. And then household was a flat 20. Oops. So any $5 bills that I have left over, with the exception of giving, I didn't have anything for gas, but with the exception of giving, I'm going to be putting them into my savings challenge. So let's see, give me 1 second. So I do have a savings challenge, and this is where I put all of my $5 savings. I don't count them. Whenever I have any leftover 5s, I just throw them in there, and that is that. Now, I do have a monthly savings challenge for September. Let's see, what is it? September, each mom is supposed to be $15. I am well into September, and as you can see, I did not include anything, nor did I include anything for August, but I did the other months. So it happens. It happens. It's not a total priority for me to do savings challenges when I have other obligations that I need to take care of. So as I am able to contribute to my savings challenges, and as you can see, I don't have any money to give to that right now, and that is okay. It is not a priority. The priority is I make sure we have food and our bills are paid for the pay period for the month. That takes priority over stuffing savings challenges. I don't have it. I don't have it. Could I take money from somewhere else to stuff a savings challenge? Yes. Do I need to do that? No, I don't. Not a priority. There it is. What will be a priority for me is focusing on getting 3 to 6 months of expenses put away. That is what I'm working on. Not getting 2 months ahead in bills. I'm currently 1 month ahead in bills, but I want to have 3 to 6 expenses, 3 months of expenses, which include food and everything else. So that is what I'm working on. You guys will see that binder when it comes out, but that binder is going to help me to accumulate and prepare for those months of expenses. I will keep you guys posted. Here again, I put my September talk through budget reset recap for August. Please take a look at that. Here's another video I think that is worth you guys viewing. You guys need to understand how it works in the budgeting world. Don't get caught up in the hype of who's who and who's what and doing what. Don't. Check this video out here if you need a little bit of motivation and you need a reality check on what you should be worrying about with your money and not someone else's. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please click the subscribe button if you like this video. Hit the thumbs up and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you all so much. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.